Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, and today we're going to unbox the Redmi 5 Plus. So let's get started. So before we unbox this phone, let's check the back of the phone for the specs. So this phone comes with a 6-inch 18:9 ratio display, a 12 megapixel camera, a 4000 mAh battery, and is powered by a Snapdragon 625 processor. It also has a 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. So let's open the box. So once you open the box, you will find another box, and inside which you will find a dark color case. So lots of these OEMs have started including these cases with the phones. And then of course you will find the phone itself. It's a really sleek, solid, tall phone. Feels good in the hand and looks much like Redmi Note 4 from the back. Now below you will find the quick guide, which no one reads nowadays. And then you have a white color USB cable and a charging adapter. I wish they had the same color as the phone itself, which is black in this case. Now the cable that comes with this phone is a USB to micro USB cable, and there's no USB Type-C for this phone. The charger is a 5-volt charger with an output of 2 ampere. Now on the front you will find a 5 megapixel camera which can record up to 1080p. On the top you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack, an IR blaster, and a noise cancellation mic. On the back it has a 12 megapixel camera which shoots at 4K. Below that there is a dual LED dual tone flash, and there's a fingerprint sensor. On the right you will find a volume rocker and a power button, and the buttons are really fluid, trust me. On the left it has a hybrid dual SIM slot, and it supports micro SD card up to 128 GB. On the bottom you will find a micro USB port and a dual loudspeaker on either side. The fingerprint scanner on this phone is really fast. It almost unlocks the phone instantly. The phone comes with MIUI 9 out of the box and is running Android version 7.1.2. The review of the phone will come soon, so stay tuned. And if you want to buy this phone right now, you can buy it from Banggood or GearBest. You will find the link in the description. You can compare the price and buy where you can find the phone for a cheaper price. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If it did, then give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.